Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a PR package that I was kindly sent from the Anna from House of Bats. If you haven't checked her website out, make sure that you do. She has just released a new range called Memento Mori and it is beautiful. So make sure that you go and check it out. There are going to be some bits in here from that range that I am going to show you. Don't forget that I also have a discount code which you can take full advantage of, which is Batbones 20. So let's open this package and see what's inside. I'm so bad at opening packages like this. Right, so there is a note. Batbones, please enjoy this latest PR box from House of Bats. Enclosed is a skull, pentagram choker and tombstone earrings from our new collection, Memento Mori. I hope you are well. Love, Anna Bat. She's so sweet. So this is the two ranges. Oh, and we've also got a sticker and business card. I'm going to pop them on my new inspiration wall. First bag is the earrings and they are the tombstones. Look how shiny they are. So don't forget that these are made from recycled plastic and that she always donates a percentage of each sale to the Sophie Lancaster Foundation. And this is what they look like on. Can't see that one because it blends in with my hair. They're so shiny though. And the second velvet bag will be the choker, which is this. I just love how shiny these are. So this is what the choker looks like on. It's nice and big and it's light as well. Literally can't even feel it on my neck, to be honest. And that's with the earrings. But definitely go and check out this new range because some of the jewellery is like graveyard, gate themed and they are stunning necklaces. So make sure that you go and have a look at them. I'll put her website at the bottom and I'll also put her website on the description. So that is my PR unboxing. I hope you have all been really well. Don't forget to check out my new group SpookyBabes on Facebook. It's quite a small group. It's really fun and quite close knit. So it's a really good community. Check that out if you'd like to join. And most of all, don't forget to stay spooky. Bye.